In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to block a LinkedIn account in 2025. Whether you're looking to declutter your professional network or simply want to ensure your privacy, blocking a LinkedIn account is a straightforward process. Let's dive into the steps to make sure you can confidently manage your LinkedIn connections. First, you'll want to head over to your LinkedIn homepage. This is the starting point for accessing all your profile settings and connections. Once you're on your homepage, you'll find the search bar prominently displayed at the top. Now, type the name of the account you wish to block in this search bar. If you're specifically dealing with someone whose name you know or who has recently interacted with you, entering their name here will bring up their profile. After you've entered the name, the search results will display profiles matching the details you've entered. Browse through the results to locate the specific profile of the person you want to block. Once you find that profile, go ahead and select it. This action will take you directly to their LinkedIn profile page where you can proceed with blocking them. At the top of their profile page, right next to the prominent message button, you'll see the More button. Click on this More button to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu gives you several options regarding your interaction with this account. By opening this, you can access additional actions such as reporting and blocking, which are crucial for managing unwanted connections. Now, from the drop-down menu that appears after clicking More, you want to select the Report to Block option. This will guide you to the next step in the process. This selection is key if you're looking to address grievances or simply to disengage from a particular connection. Once you click Report/block, you'll need to choose the exact action you wish to take. In this case, you'll be blocking the profile, so click on the block option within the menu. This step is vital as it makes sure that the account will be prevented from viewing your activity and profile in the future. Finally, LinkedIn will prompt you with a confirmation message asking if you're certain about blocking the account. This is your opportunity to review your decision before finalizing the action. Confirm this choice by clicking Block again. Doing so ensures the account is successfully blocked, preventing any further interaction from that user on the LinkedIn platform. And there you have it. You've now learned how to block an account on LinkedIn. This process allows you to maintain control over who can see your profile and engage with you, ensuring your LinkedIn experience remains professional and enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, consider sharing it with someone who might benefit from this guide. Thanks for watching.